Hello my gems, and welcome to the first official video for the Realm Divine. This channel will mainly focus on divination and spirituality. I'm really excited to share this part of my life and the side of my interests with all of you. There will be vlogs, DIY videos, historical deep dives, series where we can learn different methods of divination together, deck reviews, and anything else I can think of that brings divination and spirituality into my daily life that I can share with all of you. I will also have a channel called the Realm Mundane, and just as it sounds, it will be for more day-to-day things. There's a lot that I'd like to share with you guys that won't necessarily fit in here, so check out the other channel for crafty fiber arts and DIY videos, cooking videos, eventual house hunting and home decorating videos, vlogs, rambly chats, and anything else that I want to record and share with you. Subscribe to one or both if you'd like, but I do hope that I see you all somewhere. I think that pretty much covers it, so I'm gonna go film some real videos now, hopefully not in portrait mode. Thank you all for watching, stay divine, and I'll see you next time.